my channel, and now you are watching a video of hotel. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel, like location, landmark, reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. As you can see on the screen, hotel location and there is the nearby attractions and landmarks also. You can find lots of reviews and rate numbers online that are given by guests who enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 10.0, which is the exceptional. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this hotel. Next, we talk about amenities of this hotel. So you can see on the screen, guests will be required to present photo ID at check-in. The hotel accepts major credit cards and reserves the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. Accommodation of the hotel is outstanding and guests are not to enjoy the surroundings. If you have already visited this hotel, please share your experience in the comment box. If you are new on this channel, please contact subscribe to the channel and subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon.